Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for that perfect cup of espresso without the hassle, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the best Nespresso machines of 2024. Whether you're a casual coffee drinker or a true espresso enthusiast, there's something on this list for everyone. So, sit back, grab your favorite mug, and let's explore the top machines that will take your coffee game to the next level. Number 1. Deloni Essenza Mini. If you're looking for a simple, compact, and affordable Nespresso machine, the Essenza Mini might be a good choice for you. This model is designed to fit in small spaces and brew espresso or lungo with just 2 buttons. It also heats up quickly and has an energy-saving mode that automatically shuts off the machine after 9 minutes. The Essenza Mini uses the Nespresso Original capsules, which come in a variety of flavors and intensities. You can easily order them online or find them in many stores. However, the quality can be inconsistent, and the cream can be weak. Sometimes the machine is also loud, and the water reservoir and the used capsule container are both small, so you will need to refill and empty them. Often, the machine does not have a milk frother or a hot water dispenser, so you will need to buy a separate device if you want to make cappuccinos, lattes, or teas. The Essenza Mini is easy to use and clean, and it comes in different colors and shapes, depending on whether you choose the Breville or the Deloni model. The machine also has few settings or features, so you cannot customize your brew much overall. The Essenza Mini is a decent Nespresso machine for the price, but it has some limitations and drawbacks. It is best suited for people who want a simple and space-saving coffee maker that can brew espresso or lungo quickly and easily. However, if you are looking for more options, features, or quality, you might want to consider some other models in this video. For discounts and updated prices, check the links in the description below. Number 2. Breville VertuoPlus Deluxe. The Breville VertuoPlus Deluxe is a pod-based coffee and espresso machine that offers convenience, variety, and quality. It is part of the Virtuo line series, which uses centrifugation technology to extract the best flavor and aroma from each capsule. The VertuoPlus Deluxe can brew 5 different sizes of coffee, from a 1.35-ounce espresso to a 14-ounce alto with just a touch of a button. It also has a large, 60-ounce water tank that can be adjusted to fit different spaces and a removable drip tray that can accommodate different cup sizes. One of the main advantages of the VertuoPlus Deluxe is its ease of use. It has a barcode scanner that recognizes the type and size of the capsule you insert and automatically adjusts the brewing parameters accordingly. You don't need to worry about settings, pressure or temperature. Just pop in a capsule, close the lid, and press the button. The machine will do the rest and eject the used capsule into a container that can hold up to 10 capsules. Another benefit of the VertuoPlus Deluxe is the variety of capsules available. Nespresso offers around 30 different options, ranging from light to dark roasts, flavored to decaf, and even some limited edition blends. The VertuoPlus Deluxe also delivers high-quality coffee and espresso thanks to its centrifuge technology. This involves spinning the capsule at up to 7,000 rotations per minute, creating a natural crema on top of the beverage. The crema enhances the flavor and aroma of the coffee and gives it a smooth and velvety texture. The main drawback of the VertuoPlus Deluxe is the cost of the capsules. They are more expensive than the original line capsules, and you can't use third-party or refillable capsules with this machine if you are a heavy coffee drinker or if you prefer more control over your brewing process. The VertuoPlus Deluxe might not be the best option for you overall. The Nespresso VertuoPlus Deluxe is a great choice for anyone who wants a simple, versatile, and quality coffee and espresso machine. To check availability and current pricing, see the link in the description below. Number 3. Deloni Vertuo Lattissima. If you are looking for a coffee machine that can make a variety of drinks with one touch, the Deloni Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima might be the perfect choice for you. This machine uses the Virtuo pods, which have a barcode that tells the machine how to brew the optimal cup of coffee. You can choose from 5 different sizes ranging from a single espresso shot to a large coffee. The best feature of this machine is the integrated milk frother, which allows you to make creamy lattes and cappuccino. Those with ease. The frother has a carafe-style design, which means you can store the milk in the fridge when not in use. The frother also has a self-cleaning function, which rinses the tubes after each use. The design of the machine is sleek and modern with a compact footprint that fits well in any kitchen. The machine has a large water tank and a capsule container, which reduce the need for frequent refills and disposal. The machine also has an energy-saving mode which automatically turns off after 9 minutes of inactivity. The only drawback of this machine is that it only works with the Virtuo pods, which are more expensive and less widely available than the original ones. Overall, the Deloni Nespresso Vertuo Lattissima is a great coffee machine for anyone who loves milk-based drinks and wants a simple and convenient way to make them. It has a versatile and easy-to-use system, a high-quality milk frother, and a stylish design. Number 4. Breville Creatista Plus. Breville Creatista Plus is a premium coffee machine that combines the convenience of Nespresso capsules with the versatility of a steam wand. It allows you to create a variety of espresso-based drinks, from ristretto to latte macchiato, with customizable settings for milk temperature, milk texture, and coffee volume. It also has a sleek and sturdy design with a stainless steel body and a high-resolution color display. The Breville Creatista is easy to use thanks to its intuitive interface and automatic functions. You can choose from 8 pre-programmed beverages or create your own by adjusting the parameters. The machine heats up in just 10 seconds, and the steam wand froths the milk automatically with different levels of foam and heat. You can also use the steam wand to create latte art, as it comes with a stainless steel jug and a guidebook. The Breville Nespresso Creatista delivers high-quality coffee thanks to its 19-bar pump and Nespresso original capsules. The capsules are widely available online and in stores and come in a range of flavors and intensities. The machine also has a pop-out capsule container, a removable water tank, and a descaling alert. The Breville Nespresso Creatista is a great option for coffee lovers who want to enjoy barista-style drinks at home without compromising on convenience and quality. It is a bit pricey, but it offers a lot of features and flexibility that make it worth the investment. It is also easy to maintain and clean, as the steam wand has a self-purging function, and the drip tray is dishwasher safe. The Breville Nespresso Creatista is a match made in heaven for Nespresso fans who want to unleash their creativity. For updated prices, click the link in the description below. Number 5. Deloni Virtuo Next. Deloni Virtuo Next is a pod coffee machine that offers a simple and convenient way to enjoy a variety of coffee sizes and flavors. It is compatible with the Virtuo capsules, which are more expensive than the original ones, but also more versatile and innovative. The machine can brew 5 different cup sizes, from a single shot of espresso to a full carafe with just one button. It also uses a smart technology called centrifuges, which spins the capsule at high speed and adjusts the brewing parameters according to the barcode on the rim of the capsule. This ensures a consistent and optimal extraction of the coffee, resulting in a smooth and rich drink with a thick and creamy crema. The capsules are also recyclable, but you need to drop them off at an espresso boutique or a collection point or request a free recycling bag from Nespresso. The main drawback of the Deloni Virtuo Next is that it does not have a built-in milk frother, so you need to buy a separate accessory if you want to make lattes or cappuccinos. The coffee quality is good, but not exceptional, and some people may find the crema too bubbly or foamy overall. The Deloni Virtuo Next is a great choice for coffee lovers who want a hassle-free and versatile pod machine that can brew different types of coffee with ease. It is easy to use, clean, and maintain, and has a stylish and compact design that fits any kitchen. That's all for now. So hopefully you did enjoy the video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this one. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.